kuboshwa Labasolwa labangemashumi lamabili Labasolwa ngokumba timayini ngalokungemtsetfweni labalishumi nakuthathu baseLesotho labasihlanu bakuleli lababili baseSwatini naseZimbabwe Takamuthi ticele Bheki Cele ukuthi acedze nya ngebugebengu kulendzawo.
In terms of crime prevention, we should look at issues that create opportunities for crime. We've got a lot of scrapyards. We are therefore asking, I understand most of them are legal. However, we actually require there must be intensive operations with regard to scrapyards.
Indvuna yemaphoyisa ithembise ngekubuya kulomphakathi tokhulumisana nalomphakathi ngaphansi kwelihlelo lembizo.
We think the response of the police also is improving. October was a big operation where 87 of these guys were found, more guns were found and all that.
Cela ungetenge ukuthi litiko lemcebo lombiwa phansi utawufanele liphakamise masokisi kucedza nyanga letigameko.
We must be helped by other departments, especially mineral, of shutting down these things so that it's difficult. But not only shut them down, but also monitor them.
Kulindzeleke ukuthi Labasolwa bavele enkantolo yamanje we Stillfontein ngolwesithathu.